You guys, this is tips on how to enjoy your leftover fried rice. This method works very well. Your leftover fried rice will look like freshly cooked meal. First, after cooking your fried rice, don't mix all, just mix the one you're going to eat that day and store the rest in the fridge or freezer depending. So this is my leftover fish fried rice. As you can see, I store the veggies in a separate container and the rice. Now I'm going to combine the two and warm it. The veggies will still appear clean and fresh. To complement the leftover food, I will fry some plantain and salad. And the end result will give you freshly cooked meal. I hope this tip helps. You're welcome.